Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to work with prompt functionality of alert. So let's understand how it works. So first of all, we will create a prompt method inside JavaScript. So this is my HTML file, and here I will create one confirm method of JavaScript. So this is functionality of JavaScript as well. Here I will comment this portion and I will create a function my function. So let's say where is used to create a variable in JavaScript equals prompt, and here let's say please enter your name. So majorly use of prompt is to get the input at same page. So let's say please enter your name, and I will pass some default argument, let's say kripa, and here I will create the condition. So the condition is if name not equals null. If this is not null, and then we will create document.getElement by id. So we will print it. So let's say this is a paragraph here, and we can create another paragraph. So I will print here p tag, and here I will close it, and the id of p tag is, let's say, p1 here. So I will print here, and I can make some style on it, style font, let's say 30, or we can make it big 50. So please enter your name. We are accepting with prompt command here, and we are checking name is not null, then we have to print it. So using document.getElement by id, and here we are getting the id is p1. So this is the id of paragraph, and here we are going to print dot inner html, and here we will print, let's say hi, plus the name of whatever you are passing, and I will get some space, and here again I will concatenate it, how are you. So now see how it will work. Here I will refresh it. First of all, I will close this inspect element, and here I will refresh it. Click here for alert. So this is the input box, so you can get the input on same page. So here I will pass some input, let's say couple, and if I will press OK, it should come here because I'm going to print it here. So I think I did some mistake. So document.getElement by id. So this is not element. This is the problem with spell mistake here. Now it should work. Alert, and here I will pass couple. So you can see here, hi couple, how are you. So I'm getting the input at the same page. I'm not redirecting to any another page. So this functionality, how you can automate with Selenium. So let's understand. So this is the same page, and I will work with the same here. So here we will write the code. I will comment this portion as well, and we will create the next driver dot switch to dot alert here, and we will send the key, send keys, and keys, let's say Rohan. I'm passing here Rohan, and I will wait for some time. So time dot sleep, let's 5 seconds, and then we will accept it. So driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. So if I will run this program, just see the output. File got loaded, and it will click on alert. Here prompt command came, and we will pass some value. Hi Rohan, how are you? So I'm able to send the data here. So this Rohan I'm going to send, and it got executed. So in this way you can work with prompt method, and it is very useful. So in next video we are going to discuss a case study, and this case study is to create test suite for olx.in with data driven approach. So there are three approaches. One is data driven, second one is keyword driven, and third one is hybrid. So we will work on all the three, and first of all we will work for data driven approach. So in next case study we are going to work with olx.in. Thanks for watching.